It was a cold morning. I drew the curtain and saw how the sky had turned grey. In a couple of minutes, I could hear the raindrops patting the rooftop. Sipping a hot cup of coffee, I looked through the blurry window pane. The drizzling, dripping rain took me down the memory lane. Those were the days. Waking up and walking to school every day was not something that I enjoyed. Some days when I woke up and Mama said, "Sleep for some more time. It's a holiday due to rain." I felt I was the luckiest child in the world. Then I could wake up late, cover myself in warm clothes, and watch my favorite cartoon whole day. I still find the same peace when the downpouring rain seems to wash off all the heaviness in my heart. The cold breeze is so soothing that it calms down my mind. The rustling leaves, dewy drops that looks like the best jewel one can ever have. The clear sky after the rain feels like it has promised me a new dawn. Isn't this magical?